so much nicer when the first guy breaks off that part, and then you just got to follow behind.
Where'd the hole go? All I see is Jason.
Right?
Yeah. It's like, I thought we were down there quite a ways. Yeah, he imagines stuff now.
If you do that very long, it'll whip your ass.
Say hello to everybody.
What's going on, guys?
So we got Angry Prepper that came down to visit us, and he says, I got to get in a hole and work on the jackhammer. We said, well, of course you can have a turn. Anybody that wants to work, we're not going to say no.
Oh, well, I'm going to try and hold on to it so it don't. There we go. Got it.
So we've made pretty good progress this weekend working on stuff, guys, and it all takes time. It's just for all the people that keep talking about how, oh, you're digging your grave and it's going to collapse. If they came down here and dug through their stuff, you would definitely be able to tell. There's no way this thing is collapsing on anybody.
I got it. Right.
So again, I'm going to show you guys. This is once we get in through.
Okay.
This is what we're breaking off. And this is using a jackhammer to break this apart. This is a heavy clay, and it's been that way since the very beginning. I mean, we went through about what, maybe 6 inches of dirt, and then it was all clay after that, Ronnie?
Maybe a foot and a half, 2 foot.
Yeah, because we switched with a shovel to a pickaxe to the jackhammer.
Yeah, about
Right.
a foot and a half, 2 foot of dirt. And
Okay.
everything else has been this.
Yeah, okay. So what's happening is we're taking all this stuff and it gets put over the edge here. So we're actually widening this out, and you can see the slope of the hill. It's, you know, we got plenty of room to dump all this stuff that we're pulling out of here. So, but if you're looking at it, look how big all this is, guys. I mean, we're pulling out some good sized chunks of things. And, well, yeah, just taking a look at that, it gives you a really good idea.
Look at me.
Yeah. That's a huge chunk right there. Let me just slide right in there first, thank you.
Yep.
He was asking earlier, do you want the shovel to get, and now he realized, yeah, it's easier with the hand.
Oh yeah, well you get down to the smaller stuff and then you use the shovel.
Up. Okay, hold right there.
All right, let it go. Yeah. Well, yeah, over the top's fine.
Yep. Yeah. Now Jason can say, I came, I saw, I did it, I tried.
Yep.
Jason will be like, hey, I like that, I'm coming back.
Like I said, wait till we start digging in and getting really into the mountain.
Of course, Jason's not saying anything.
Right.
blur it.
Huh?
Gonna have to blur it.
Was he showing plumber's crack?
Up.
So I don't know if you guys can tell from the previous videos, but the box is definitely lower into the hole now, and so the whole design of the box was, as we continue to dig down, it just settles down as we go, and so it's definitely done that. And I'll show you on the sides here. You can kind of see there's definitely look like it's caught up a little bit on that corner. So we do have a tool that we're using to work on that, and this is it here.
Hoping it works.
Hoping it works. It's a spike part from before, and so we attach that and screw that into a 2x4 so that we can reach down the sides.
Thinking if he comes up with another piece of pipe, it'd be a lot easier. Well, that board throws it off. Maybe another piece of pipe to jam down there would make it
that
more
would
straight.
definitely make it
Right.
a little easier to use.
But we definitely got to jam into that corner over there. You can see it.
Just an experiment.
Yeah. But, you know, that's how it looks on the outside here. So once again, I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing. We're going to be digging out more here. We're going to get down first, more, and then we'll work on this here part. So it's just it's a slow and steady thing. It's going to take time, and, you know, we're going to get it done. And everybody who's saying how we're doing it the wrong way and we should do this or we should do that, I look forward to you posting your videos on how it's to be done the right way.
Okay.
Right?
You want to move that hammer out of your way?
Huh?
Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
The jackhammer?
Yes. We definitely want to see their videos how to do it the right way.
Sorry, I was concentrating on working. I was working.
Working?
So yeah, it's working.
Sorry, didn't mean
go
to
ahead.
break your
Yeah,
concentration.
he films it while jackhammering all the time.
All right. Your earmuffs are right there if you want.
Yeah, your earmuffs are right here if you want.
Earmuffs are for pussies.
Such language.
Oh no.
We never talk like that.
It's a family channel, Jason. Yeah, oh yeah, Kit Kat, that's what. Here, mother for kittens.
Anyway, guys, it's not easy work. We got a fire going over here, which is nice. That's kind of helping.
Drop the lighter in the water.
Ronnie's cigarette lighter?
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, guys, I'm going to jump off here, get back to work. I will let you guys go for now. I hope everybody's doing well. Remember, folks, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we will be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important to tell the people that you care about every day how you feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from reaching your goals is you. That's it. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.